Hi, I'm doing implicit differentiation today. My name is Mr. Chong. Differentiation is the same as implicit differentiation, so don't be afraid. The only thing is when you see y, you need to be very, very careful. Okay? People don't know how to do when they see y. They know how to do differentiation of x, they don't know how to do differentiation of 4, but they don't know how to do differentiation of y. So what we're going to do is, whenever we see this question at the very beginning, okay, when we see y, okay, just change it. Do something like y is cos x. Okay, then you will feel better. Just make sure yourself feel better when you do it. Okay, and now you ask yourself, oh, what should I do with this part when I do differentiation? You see there's a multiplication in between two things. That means you need to do product rule. Okay, so you decide to do product rule, then you know what to do. This one, you know you need to differentiate it. You just differentiate something to dx. Okay, and what that thing is cos x, and also we can call it y. Alright, that means we're going to do dy dx. Alright, so now we pretty know what to do. Okay, we can now ignore the cos x and then do the work. Okay, so now I just go back, get rid of this part, and then move this up. Okay, even to make it smaller. Alright, so now we kind of know that y will become dy dx when we differentiate the whole line. Okay, we differentiate the whole line. Alright, and this part we need to use product rules. Product rules will definitely need u and v. So I'll write down u and v on the top. And then I do the uv in the draft. Okay, again the draft you don't need to show people. Okay, it's like doing 1 plus 1 here. You don't need to show any other people. U equal to x and v equal to y. That means u dash is equal to 1, v dash. I have to differentiate y again. We don't know what it is, so I write dy over dx. We have to differentiate y. We don't know what it is, so just leave it as dy dx. Alright, and now we substitute into the equation. And the product rule is uv dash to u first and then v later, add it up, and then the rest is dy dx now. I know it. Okay, I'll change it back into black or just copy this. Okay, so I've already know the rest will be in black. Okay, and equal to, when I differentiate the 4, d4 dx will give me a 0. Okay, so now the last thing is just fill in what u dash is, what v is, what u is, what v dash is, and we're done. Alright, so the final answer for this one will become u dash is x, u dash is 1 from here. Okay, so we're done. And then u is x, so u is x, and then I put a plus in between. V is y, so this is y. V dash is y dy dx. Alright, and now I copy the rest. Okay, so make it better, make some space, and then I copy the rest. Alright, and now the question asks you to find dy dx. So dy dx have to be a subject of this equation. Okay, if I want to make the circle as a subject, I need to factorize the circle out and form a bracket as x plus 1 equal to 0. And now people will say, wait, what about the y? The y's, leave it in the front. Okay, and the last thing is make the circle as a subject. So what I'm going to do now is move the bracket and the y away. Okay, so I move the y away, become negative y. Okay, move the y away, and at the same time move the bracket away. So multiplication here become division. And this is it done. Okay, thanks for watching. Lian is for you.